Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Need to integrate Google Forms into your WordPress site. This guide will help you embed Google Forms in your WordPress posts or pages for seamless form submission. Follow these steps to integrate Google Forms in WordPress. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first and first guys, go ahead and open googleforms.com by signing in to Google normally using Gmail, and there you can create your forms. Second thing is to own a WordPress account, which will be very easily created, but the other thing that you need to know is once you create your account, it's not the end of the task. You actually need to pay a couple of dollars in order to get your plan to the premium plan in order to get the access to plugins. Now, if you want to upgrade right here, you will be able to actually get a free domain, so you have to literally search for any kind of domain or type of domain. Search for this one. Let's go for example for this one and pick it up, and yeah, these are the plans. Now as you can see here, for the starter plan, which is gonna cost you around $4, 48 annually, it will give you nothing that includes basically premium or basically plugins. So in case you really wanted plugins a lot more, even if you search like that, as you can see here, you will be able to find it. So that's a pretty good thing. So as you can see, the only deal that will get you the access to install plugins and theme without any problem is the creator plan. So unlock the power of WordPress with the managed hosting platform built by WordPress experts, $25 a month, $300 built annually, excluding taxes. So here, as you can see, this is the only plan that will allow you to unlock the access to 50,000 plus plugins, design templates, and integrations. These plugins, which one of them is basically the main plugin that we need in our video today, which is the Google Form, or basically the G Suites, depending on what type of plugin you would like to go for. So if you search for example for Google Forms, you will not be able to 100% find it as it is. You will find, for example, Google Form Binder, which is help you transfer submit data from Ninja Form Contact Form 7 to Google Form. So this is something that you might like to have. So whenever like there is a data that will be submitted on your Ninja Forms, which is also a plugin on WordPress, or basically the Contact Form 7 to Google Form, this plugin will work as an intermediate, so you can actually use it. Now, the thing about it is it has been launched in 2017, and there's only 10 active installations, and as it seems, there is not much updates about it. So I don't highly recommend you to go for it, so do not go for it. What I will highly recommend you to download is nothing but G Suites, or I think Google Kit. Yeah, let's search for Google Kit. I think it was called Google Kit. Yep, here it is, the Sites Kit by Google. So here it is. So this one will allow you to actually integrate all of the Google platform, not platform, but like apps that includes in Google. For example, the Gmail, Google Analytics, AdSense, console, whatever, everything that you think of is actually gonna be included in this pack. So you might really just want to go for this one and literally just download it if you had the premium plan, and after that you can have them connected, so the plugin will be connected to your WordPress account, and then you can work on with the settings and make any changes that you want to be with Google Forms. Now this option is not really always available for everyone, which caused us to find another solution, which is basically by using Zapier. Zapier is a free-to-use application as long as you will not pass a certain amount of tasks that I'm going to mention it during this video. So Zapier is going to work as a third app party or intermediate between several apps. So for example, in our case, we would like Google Forms and WordPress. So it can help you connect WordPress with Google Forms, but not directly. It's going to connect Google Forms with Zapier and WordPress with Zapier, and then Zapier will connect them both together through its interface. So let's go ahead and try to make this happen. Go to apps on Zapier and search for the Google Forms. So Google Forms, there we go. That's perfect. So here all you need to do is to click on connect and connect your Google Forms account. I have already an account connected. The second thing is to search for WordPress and connect your WordPress account as well. So once you do these two things that I have mentioned, the third thing that you have to do is to test the connection. Now for the connection, I will go to Google Form, I will open my account right here, and I will be going right to this point and click on test connection. If it says this message, that means that the connection is good and nothing wrong with it. If it was an error message, then you should disconnect and reconnect so you can fix this problem. Once you have done that for both things, for both applications, go to create and search for Zaps. Once you have done that, this field of text will be open for you so you can write down like a prompt. Basically, just as you're talking to ChatGPT in a way. So we can go here, for example, whenever there is a form submitted in Google or basically in WordPress, copy it in Google Form. So that's something that I would like it to be. So once a form is basically submitted in WordPress, copy it in Google Form. That's something that I would like it to happen. So let's click on it. And now let's wait for the working magic. So now they are suggesting some couple of answers. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's choose these two, and it's glitched. Of course it will, because I don't know, Zapier have a very low servers when it comes to this. I mean, they're not really bad servers. It's just when you try to add multiple triggers and actions at the same time, it lags, it glitches. So yeah, it's on me, not on them, of course, because I was too fast when I done that. Doesn't really matter. So let's add this right here, and let's add an event. So the events, let's create an action. Normally you have to create a custom action, which can be a little bit complicated, but normally if you have written to it here, let me just expand it, create Google Forms. So let's choose this. After receiving a copy in WordPress. So let's wait. And now I'm going to click on it. There we go. And then click on continue. Continue. Then you have to fulfill these information right here. And then once you're done, click on publish. And just like that, it's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. You just connected your Google Form to WordPress. So this is the second method that I've shown you. Of course, you can, if you have enough money to pay for the premium plan, then I would highly suggest you to go with the premium plan and get your plugin ready. But otherwise, this is like a plan B option that you could go for. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.